Question number 71. Predicting how many vehicles will travel across a bridge on a given day is the example of classification, clustering, and regression. Definitely, as we have already know what is the classification, this is used to categorize. Clustering is the related to the grouping, so it will be a regression, right? So yes, as we know, lots of example we have did right now, and lots of practice we did, lots of question we did, as well as we have a lots of definition and concept cleared. So no doubt, everywhere and from every point of view, this is go with the regression. Question number 72. This is a completely different question which I get from the online. So we will discuss this question as well. In this question, we need to select the modules, which module will come in the this canvas. So for that we have a you can see automobile price data, that is the raw data. So for the raw data, after that raw data, what will come here? That will come in convert to CSV? No. K means clustering? No. Linear regression? No. Split the data? No. There is a select column in dataset. From here we will select the column, right? Then clean missing data. Here we need to clean the missing data and then i- what we will get with the second box. So for the second box, here we have to split the data, right? And then for that, what type of the rules we will apply to train the model. So here we can use the linear regression by which we can train our model. So yes, here will come linear regression. Here we will split the data. Here data select the column in data set. Right. Question number 73. For a machine learning progress, how should you split the data for the training and evaluation? So that is the question I think we get early as well. So there will be option A, use feature for the training data and level evaluation. No. Randomly split the data into the row training and row for the evaluation. This is the correct answer, option B. And option C, use label for training the feature will know. Random split the data into the columns. No. So be careful whenever this question is come in examination. We need to identify is it talking about the rows or column, because two option you will get and both option will be look like similar, but only need to care about that where is into row or into the column. So what will be the correct answer? Is split the data into row, not the column. So correct answer will be B. Question number 74. You build a machine learning module by using the automated machine learning user interface. You need to ensure that the model meets the Microsoft transparency principle for responsible AI. What should you do? Set the validation type of auto. No. Enable explain best model. Yes. Set the primary matrix to accuracy. Yes. And set max concurrent iteration to 0. See, you need to ensure that the model meet the Microsoft transparency principle. So transparency means whatever we are going to do, need to verify what we are doing is the correct and is a completely clear crystal. Anyone can see, anyone can, if want to know, then it will be a proper rule so that anyone can want to know, then can check. Yes, this is the thing. That's why the model is giving this answer. Right? So here, enable explain best model. Option B will be the correct. Question number 75. Which type of the machine learning should you use to identify groups of people who have a similar purchasing habit? This is the part of the clustering. I don't think we need to discuss once again. So correct answer is option C. Question number 76. You are designing an AI system that empowers everyone, including the people who have a hearing, visual, and other impairments. This is the example of which Microsoft guideline principle for the responsible AI. I need to discuss once again. I don't think you guys know that in which we will include every people. That is the part of the inclusiveness. Option 3. Question number 77. Select from drop down correct option. Model can use to predict the sales price and action items. Price, sales price. So this is the part of the clustering? No. Classification? No. Regression. So definitely it is go. I will go with the regression. Question number 78. Which metrics can you use to evaluate a classification model? True positive rate, mean absolute error, coefficient to deter coefficient of determination are to root mean square error. So this is the question in which it's asking which metrics can we use to evaluate the classification model. Mm, without thinking. This is the related to the true positive rate. Option A. Question number 79. Which two component can use drag on a canvas as your machine learning designer? Each correct answer present a complete solution. A dataset, a compute, a pipeline, a module. This is the dataset which we also can track. Another is the pipeline. I don't think compute. No, I think a dataset and module. Once we will go in the machine learning, so this is the correct answer. Yes. Dataset and module. For that, you need to see this is now part of the concept. If you are going and using the AML, so there where you can see. So for that, please visit on the AML. Question number 80. You need to create a training dataset and validation dataset for existing dataset. Which module in Azure Machine Learning Designer should you use? Select column in dataset, add row, split data. This is the option C, split the data. I think more than 4 to 5 times we have get this type of the question that split the data random in rows, right? So option C is the correct answer.